What if I told you your body already comes with a blueprint for healing, and it's been hidden in plain sight this whole time? The foods you eat aren't just random. Some of them look exactly like the organs in your body. But first, look at beets. Cut one open, and you'll see a deep, rich crimson red, almost identical to human blood. That striking color comes from natural pigments called betalains, powerful antioxidants that don't just look intense, they actively work inside your body. Modern research shows that beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps oxygen move more efficiently through your bloodstream. That's why athletes today drink beet juice, to boost endurance and performance naturally. But it goes deeper. Beets support liver function, the organ responsible for filtering toxins from your blood. Compounds in beets help the liver break down harmful substances and support detox pathways, keeping your blood cleaner and your system balanced. Historically, ancient cultures like the Romans used beets not just as food, but as medicine, especially for blood-related conditions. Now take a tomato and slice it across the middle. You'll notice something fascinating: multiple chambers filled with seeds and fluid, visually similar to the structure of the human heart. And while it may not be a perfect anatomical match, the resemblance is hard to ignore. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Tomatoes are one of the richest sources of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant studied for its heart protective effects. Lycopene helps reduce oxidative stress, which is a major factor in heart disease. Research shows that regular consumption of tomatoes and tomato-based products is linked to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and improved blood vessel function. It also supports healthy blood pressure by improving the elasticity of arteries. In Mediterranean diets, often considered the gold standard for heart health, tomatoes are a daily staple. From sauces to salads, they play a central role in protecting cardiovascular function. Look at a bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. Clustered together, branching outward, they closely resemble the structure of human lungs, especially the alveoli, the tiny air sacs responsible for oxygen exchange. Grapes are loaded with antioxidants like resveratrol and flavonoids, which help protect lung tissue from damage caused by pollution, toxins, and inflammation. These compounds support better oxygen flow and may even reduce the risk of chronic respiratory conditions. In today's world, where air quality is often compromised, foods that support lung health are more important than ever. Now shift your focus to mushrooms. Slice one and look at it from the side. The shape resembles a human ear. And interestingly, mushrooms are one of the only plant-based sources of vitamin D, a nutrient essential for bone health. Inside your ear are 3 tiny bones, the smallest in your body, that help transmit sound. Vitamin D plays a role in maintaining strong bones, including those delicate structures, and supports nerve function involved in hearing. Beyond that, mushrooms contain compounds that support immune health and reduce inflammation, both critical for protecting sensory organs. Next, walnuts. At first glance, they look exactly like a miniature human brain, complete with 2 hemispheres, deep grooves, and folded textures that mirror the cerebral cortex. But this isn't just visual coincidence. Walnuts are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, which plays a critical role in brain health. Omega-3s are essential for building brain cell membranes, supporting communication between neurons, and reducing inflammation in the brain. Studies suggest that regular walnut consumption may improve memory, cognitive function, and even mood. They also contain polyphenol and vitamin E, which help protect brain cells from oxidative damage, a key factor in aging and neurodegenerative diseases. In simple terms, walnuts help your brain stay sharp, focused, and resilient. So when you crack open a walnut, you're not just eating a snack. You're feeding one of the most complex organs in your body, with something that looks just like it. Now look at figs. They often grow in pairs, and their shape has long been associated with reproductive organs. But beyond symbolism, figs are packed with nutrients that directly support reproductive health. Figs are rich in zinc, a mineral essential for hormone regulation, sperm production, and overall fertility in men. Zinc also plays a role in testosterone balance and reproductive function. In women, figs provide iron, calcium, and antioxidants that support hormonal balance and overall reproductive wellness. Historically, figs were considered a sacred fruit in many ancient cultures, symbolizing fertility, abundance, and life. Even in early medicine, they were used to support vitality and strength. Modern nutrition backs this up, highlighting their role in improving circulation, boosting energy, and supporting the body's reproductive systems. So what you're seeing isn't just a visual resemblance. It's a deeper connection between nourishment and the ability to create life. Finally, avocados. Their shape resembles a womb, and even more fascinating, they take about 9 months to fully mature on the tree, mirroring the length of a human pregnancy. Avocados are incredibly rich in folate, a B vitamin essential for cell division and fetal development. Adequate folate intake is critical during pregnancy, helping prevent neural tube defects and supporting healthy growth. They're also loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which support hormone production and balance, key factors in both male and female reproductive health. In addition, avocados provide potassium, fiber, and antioxidants that support overall wellness, from heart health to digestion. For expecting mothers, or those preparing for pregnancy, avocados are considered one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. It all points to one powerful idea. Your body was designed to be nourished with purpose. If this opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to see it.